Hello, artistic people. We are drawing today. We will use these colors and this drawing, this sketch. You can pause video and copy. So, this is picture from the game. I saw it while I following the gameplay of my daughter. She have a channel on YouTube and his name is Lucille. The game is Horizon Zero Dawn, and the pictures in this game are so beautiful. I will leave you a link to her channel in case anyone is interested in the game. So we will start to coloring this first face and skin, arms. Then we will make sketch of eyebrows. Then we will shade everything with this pencil. So this is simplified version of this picture. The picture is very beautiful, but I don't think if somebody wants to learn that you can draw like this, because this picture from the game is making Photoshop or some editing program. It's not like drawing. So we will shade everything, and I make her gray eyes because I really don't remember, did she have green or gray eyes? And she has some red hair, but it is she has some like dreadlocks or something here and there, not on all her hair, just a few. Now we will shade her hair, and I'm using here a Tumb because this picture is not finished when I finished this video. You need a lot of work. I drawing this picture for 45 minutes total, and I managed to shorten this video on 14-15 minutes, I can remember. Now in this game it's some strange world, like after apocalypse or something. She has some wool. It's partly from metal and partly from some skin from some animal or something. It is very interesting game. I really like, and the nature in this game is beautiful. And I think that I will continue to draw some pictures from this game because it's fantastic. It looks fantastic. So this is a metal part of the ball, and I'm using gray color, dark gray, and black for this. And it's so this is the part of her clothes. She has some blue and reds and something. Everything is like from the skin of animals and some. But it's very nice. It's very nice, looking very nice. I love it. Her hair is reddish, but I'm using here like light brown, and with this white pencil I try to push down the colors in the page, in this paper, because I don't think this is paper for wooden colors, wooden pencils. Here I'm working on her sleeve. It's partly from fur, from some animal, and partly from the skin, and some parts on her arm are from metal. It is some kind of protection for the arm. And the story from this game is beautiful. If you like games, you can go and see how beautiful this game is. I really love it. She has some necklace from wooden pearls. It's a lot of shading and layering. This is a feather on this arrow. And the arrow has the metal point for metal. And some part of the bow are also metal. Now I'm trying to put on her hair some highlights with this yellow pencil. I really like how this drawing came out. This is like some simplified version of this character from the game. Oh my god, how is his name? I think his name is L, something like this. Aloy. His name is, I think she's Aloy. And the story begins when she was very young, and she has some. I don't think this is her father. Somebody who is take care of her, but nobody from the village can speak with them. I don't know why, because his mother is dead, something like this. This is also, I try to draw some metal parts on her other hand. And this is her dress or something, some upper part of her clothes. It's partly skin and partly from fur, animal fur. And I really like how she's came out. Beautiful. I would like to have better paper or I don't know, better pencils. Everything is pretty pale because I'm not very heavy-handed on pencils, so I must layer too much. Here is something from this poster from the game. If you see, you will know. And I'm trying to color this with stamp, and I'm trying to add some details to this triangle, or what is this? And now I'm adding dry pastels, but it is very pale, and I will add more like this, and I will try to blend this with my finger and with my stamp, this paper stamp, and I will add a little bit of this violet color, and then I will erase some parts and try to make clouds with this. I really like to have different pencils or different paper, I don't know. This is not so good. But I really like this drawing. And if you like, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you didn't already. And I hope I will see you soon with another drawing. Goodbye.